In the 2025, the African continent will host the UCI Road World Championship for the first time, with the capital of Rwanda, Kigali, providing the stage for this historical week for racing 21 to 28 September. Already known as for its annual Tour de Rwanda, this country in the Great Rift Valley of East Africa will now welcoming junior, under 23 and elite athletes racing for the precious Rainbow Jays. It is not for nothing that Rwanda is nicknamed the land of thousand hills, and for many riders it will be their first experience riding on this challenging terrain. This UCI Road World Championship are another step in the globalization of cycling and come at a time when African riders are increasingly making international headlines. They are also an opportunity and ended motivation for the younger generation of African riders to compete and shine on the global stage. To this end, the UCI, its World Cycling Center, WCC, and the USI WCC Continental Development Satellite in Pearl, South Africa, have been preparing the most talented for this significant event with a dedicated African 2025 strategy. Another new feature at the 2025 UCI Road World Championship will be the first separated race for women under 23 riders. Although UCI World title, individual time trial, and road race have been awarded for this category since 2022 in Wollongong, Australia. Until now, they have raced alongside the women elite. Kebe 250 TV.